The farmer's cows are not in the fields. We're going to work with this sentence again like we did the previous one. I'm going to give you some hints, and then I want you to choose a correct answer. Remember, I said that when I write a sentence into Latin, I like to start by finding any prepositional phrases that there might be in the sentence. Remember that you can easily tell what a preposition is from a Latin vocabulary list by looking for the little word followed by plus ablative or plus accusative. I see that in is a preposition. Because it comes at the end of the sentence, I know that fields is the object of the preposition. I don't change in, I'll just write that on the paper, but then I have to write the word fields in the ablative case because this word for in, we are told, requires an ablative case noun with it. And I have to remember to make it plural because fields ends with an S and is plural. So in the fields, I would write in, and then I would follow that with the word for field, ager, agree, and make sure to write that in the in the ablative case. Don't forget, though, that you will have to check to determine the declension of field before you choose the ablative ending. Why? Because when I look at the ablative plural row on the chart, I see is all over the place, but then I see ibis in the third declension columns. So you need to know what declension this noun belongs to. Now, let's talk about the main idea in the sentence, which is the farmer's cows are not in the fields. Well, looking at not and seeing that it's the word known on the list, I know that this is an adverb, so all I have to do is write it into my sentence. It does not get an inflection. Farmers, I notice, ends with an apostrophe S, and as soon as I see apostrophe S, I need to think possession, and when I think possession, I have to think about the genitive case, which is the second word on the vocabulary list, agricolae. Cows is the subject of the sentence, and it's plural, so we want to write cows in the plural nominative case because cows is the subject. It goes in the nominative case. It has to be plural because I have cows in English. Make sure that when you are looking for the correct nominative plural ending, notice there are 4 different ones. You'll know whether to pick A, E, I, A, or ES depending on the declension of the noun, first, second, or third, and that means you'll have to look at your genitive endings. What do you see on the genitive form of bos, bovis? That's how you'll get the ending. And don't forget that when you add the ending, it has to be the base, and the base of this noun is BOV. Good luck picking out the correct answer.